Greetings, friends. Nearly everyone I know longs for deepening connection and intimacy in their relationships. And most of us have habits of judging and distractedness and self-protection that can get in the way. So the rain practice is one of the most powerful tools I know for cultivating open-heartedness, even in the midst of conflict and difficulty. So that's why I'm excited to be offering a half-day online workshop entitled Healing Relationships with Rain. And in it, you'll have the opportunity to tend to a relationship where you feel stuck in emotional reactivity. And then together, using the rain meditation, we'll explore how you can create the grounds for more understanding and love. The workshop happens on Saturday, August 19th. It'll be 10 a.m. Eastern Time in the United States, and it'll include guided meditations, journaling, small group sharing, and time for questions. And it's appropriate for beginning meditators and seasoned practitioners as well. All are welcome. So space is limited. If you want to attend, you can find the registration link on my homepage. I'll look forward to practicing and being with you.